Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share 7 incredible tips and tricks from your Galaxy S25 Ultra that will make your phone even smarter. And the best part, most of these work on other Galaxy devices too. So we're talking about clever charging alerts, super fast photo searches, AI-powered note-taking, and even solving math problems instantly. So make sure to stick around till the end. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment your favorite feature down below. Alright, let's get into it. Feature number 1 is where your phone can tell you when your phone has been charged to 100%. So with the Modes and Routine app, you can basically create an automation that notifies you the moment your battery hits 100%. So you can set it to play a sound, send a notification, or even read out a custom voice alert. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up settings. Next, we'll go ahead and search for Modes and Routine. Tap on this. And now we'll go ahead and tap on Routines. And here we'll go ahead and create a routine. So here we need to go ahead and set the if statement and then statement. So I'll put down if battery reaches 100%. So search for battery. So if battery level reaches to 100%, done. Next, you're going to go ahead and tap on the then statement and then tap on that. Now next, you're going to go ahead and search for notification. So here we want to go ahead and show a custom notification. Now here we can go ahead and give it a name, charged 100%. And here we can go ahead and give it a notification which we want to display and also read out. So I'll put down, your phone has been charged to 100%. Please unplug it. And now I want to make sure that this notification is read aloud. So we'll go ahead and switch this feature on, tap done. Now press save. Go ahead and give this a name, press done. Here is an example. I'll go ahead and change this to 53% so that when this phone charges to 53%, we'll receive a notification.
Charged 100. Your phone has been charged to 100%. Please unplug.
So there you go. That was a notification. So this not only saves you from overcharging a battery, which can prolong battery health and lifespan, but also prevents your phone from heating up unnecessarily. So it's perfect if you often leave your phone charging overnight or while working. Feature number 2 is where you can search for photos using custom dialogues. So in your gallery app, you can basically search using specific details, location, color, time, or even description keywords. So here, as an example, we'll go ahead and open up gallery. And here we'll go ahead and tap on search, and we'll go ahead and search for the following item. So here I'll go ahead and search using voice. I want to search for a DJ set with 2 speakers. So let's just go ahead and do a search. 2 speakers and a DJ set. So as you can see, it has brought back pictures of DJ set. Let's do another search. A blueberry plant. It brought back some plants, however, it's not blueberries. Let's try again. A blackberry fruit. So no more scrolling through thousands of photos. This feature makes it fast and effortless to find exactly what you're looking for, which is especially handy if you're organizing albums, creating slideshows, or hunting for old memories. Feature number 3 is where you can customize your Now Brief. So the Now Brief feature lets you personalize the information you see, like breaking news, weather updates, reminders, to-do list, or AI suggestions right on your home screen or lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Now Brief feature. So as you can see, it's wishing me well, having a special day, telling me weather, my weekly screen time, some news, and some recommendation. Now here I can go ahead and change this around and basically remove and add certain things. So I can go ahead and tap on settings at the bottom, and then I can go ahead and tap on content to include. Now here I can go ahead and customize what I want to include. So I can include health and wellness, travel, event, task, routine, digital well-being, communication, moments, traffic updates, and all of these here. I can even include YouTube Shorts as well. So here, this way I can go ahead and customize the type of content which I'm interested in seeing or which is relevant to me. And whatever I'm not interested, I can go ahead and deselect them. So this turns your phone into a personal daily dashboard. So instead of jumping between apps, you can get all the information that matters to you in one glance. So it basically saves you both time and the effort of basically looking out for it. Feature number 4 is where you have your Gemini integrated with your S25 Ultra, so you can add anything to Samsung Notes. So the Google Gemini AI is basically built into your S25 Ultra, meaning you can take the AI generated text, summaries, explanations, ideas, and send it straight into Samsung Note with a tap. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. Now next we can go ahead and ask it a question. So say for example, I want to research about eye surgeries. So I'll go ahead and ask Gemini for eye surgery recommendation, and then I'll go ahead and ask it to add it to my Samsung Note. Can you please research about eye surgery and add it to my Samsung Note? So as you can see, it has now researched about eye surgery. And if I go ahead and tap on Samsung Note, I can see that it has added that note to my Samsung Note. So as you can see, it's added there. So like this, it basically transforms your Note app into a supercharged productivity tool. So whether you're a student summarizing lectures, a professional collecting research, or a creator jotting down notes, you can basically instantly capture, organize, and expand on them without switching apps. Feature number 5 is where you can solve problems with Gemini. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you have a complex math problem, you can basically use Gemini to resolve that. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. Now here we can go ahead and create a new note. So here I'll go ahead and create an equation which I want Gemini to resolve. So this is the math problem which I want Gemini to resolve. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and activate Gemini by holding this side button. Now I can go ahead and ask about the screen. So I can go ahead and tap on that. Now I can go ahead and send that off. This will now try to resolve the math problem which I have here. So as you can see, the image shows a handwritten linear equation 2x plus 4 equals 8. Solve it. And as you can see, the solution to the equation is x is equal to 2. So this is like having a 24/7 personal math tutor in your pocket. Students can learn the process, professionals can check calculations quickly, and anyone can solve the problems without opening a calculator or a math app. Feature number 6 is where you can search settings using your voice. So instead of tapping through endless menus, you can basically say search settings followed by what you want, like maybe battery optimization, dark mode, screen timeout, and so on. Your Galaxy will basically take you right there. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up settings. And let's just say, for example, I want to search for a setting. So I'll go ahead and use this search feature here. Search for dark mode settings. As you can see, it has taken me to dark mode. Search for navigation bar. So this removes the frustration of hunting for buried settings. It's faster, easier, and more accessible, especially if you're in a rush or you're multitasking. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you can listen to YouTube while your S25 Ultra is locked. So by using the Samsung Internet Browser on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can play YouTube videos in the background, even with your phone locked. So this is without the need of YouTube Premium subscription. Now to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up the Internet Browser. So this is the Samsung Internet Browser. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the 3 lines, tap on Settings, scroll down until you see Useful Features. And now here you need to go ahead and turn on a feature called Background Play. So make sure this feature is turned on. So this will basically allow you to keep playing video sound after you left the tab or Samsung Internet. Now go back. Now you want to go ahead and open up a video on YouTube. So now to watch this in the background, make sure you tap on the video first, then tap on this full screen icon. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Home. And now this is basically playing in the background. So as you can see, it's being played. I'll increase the volume. Now I can go ahead and lock the screen. And as you can see, it's being played in the background as well. As you can see, it's giving me a live notification of what is being played. And when I increase the volume, you can hear that YouTube video. So the audio will keep playing without interruptions. You can basically lock your screen, or you can basically do something else like open up Alarm, Google, and so on. So this is perfect for a podcast, music playlist, or long talks. It even saves you from paying for premium just to get background play. By this, you can basically save battery, prevent accidental touch, and you can keep your phone in your pocket while still enjoying your favorite content. And that's it. 7 powerful features on your Galaxy S25 Ultra you need to try right now. Remember, most of these work on other Galaxy devices too, so share them with your friends. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more Galaxy tips, drop a comment telling me which feature you love the most. Thanks for your amazing support, and I'll catch you in the next one.